Unfortunately, Apple hasn't given us an easy and clear way to lock apps, but there is a workaround for this, and it's by going into shortcuts. It's a very easy process that takes about 30 seconds. So we're going to go ahead and go into shortcuts, and then we go down here where it says automation, click on that, then click on the plus button at the top, and then we click on create personal automation. Then we're going to go ahead and scroll down until we see app, and then we click on app, and then from there we're going to go ahead and choose the app that we're going to use. And so click on this right here, and this works for any app, but we're going to go ahead and try it with messages, and then click on done. And then now we're going to go ahead and click on next, and we're going to click on add action, and then we're going to search lock screen, and then click on it, and then hit next up here, and make sure that ask before running is off, and then it's just going to ask you again, and go ahead and say don't ask, and then hit done, and that's it, you're done. So now when we open the messages, it's going to shoot us to the lock screen, which will prompt the Face ID or your passcode. And you could do this again, you could do this with any app that you wish to do so.